Hey guys, well I'm just down at Ocean Beach here now, and I tell you what, it's just, the poles are gone, it's losing everything. It's way down there. It's just smashing in. And just here, how funny, here's the digger. And I tell you what, it's not even high tide yet, and it's cutting up here. The digger might fall in. How funny would that be? Oh, awesome. Anyway, but we're not going to be able to get down here just yet. This is just straight off the edge. Awesome stuff. Look at that. It's just ripping it apart. Ocean Beach, Central Coast, New South Wales. And high tide another hour away. We've got a couple of Johnny Rays there, metal detecting, trying to. But get caught out here, you get swamped out tonight. Awesome. Awesome. Here comes another one. Oh no, stand back, Sonny. Stand back. Look at that. Oh, awesome, man. That's just going like 20 foot in the air, double banging. Awesome stuff. Look at that, there's a pole. The pole, look, the pole's going. Awesome stuff. And there's a big block of concrete down there. That's awesome. Look at that, block of concrete. Ocean is just smashing in. These poles are almost getting ready to fall out, all of them. And a few folk down here getting ready to have a look at it all. Awesome. There's no way I'm going down there. No way. And up there, it's just smashing in along that edge there. There's that pole. So you go down there now, that pole is going to rip into you and break all your legs. Nasty stuff. Nasty stuff. Alright guys, I'll get back to you. This is awesome. Awesome.